Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming zoning constraints for RDP extensions and why that matters. Setbacks, coverage, and height limit how much you can add. Once you have the existing plans, a recent survey, and clear site photos, you can sketch a rough footprint. Call the planning office early to learn required forms, submission fees, and any neighborhood notifications. This prevents wasted design effort. As you do this, mark any utilities or easements on your sketch so you avoid legal or construction delays. Now you convert that sketch into buildable drawings and get approvals. Produce a scaled floor plan, elevations, and a roof tie-in detail so reviewers see how new meets old. Hire a structural engineer to specify foundations, headers, and connections because they ensure safety and code compliance. Compile your planning submission with required forms, a short impact statement, and neighbor notification where applicable. This speeds review. Once submitted, monitor the file. Respond promptly to requests for clarification, and schedule any required consultations. With permits issued, you begin construction. Excavate, form, and pour footings, and schedule the footing inspection before progressing. Make sure your contractor follows the engineered details for waterproofing, thermal continuity, and proper ties to the existing structure. These choices prevent leaks and heat loss. Coordinate services, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and book mid-stage inspections. Once work is complete, finish trims and paint, compile as-built documents, and obtain the final inspection or occupancy sign-off. If disputes arise,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.